Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A10s, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this Samsung. Firstly, open Play Store. Now click on the search bar and type iOS Launcher. After that, you need to download this app from this developer and open it. Now, you need to tap on Allow in the pop-ups. And click Home button. After that, click on iOS Launcher and select Always. Lastly, click Got it. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!